Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dragon Nest error code 1000750. The error reads, "Failed to initialize launcher." As per our research, this error comes when users accidentally click the C tab on the launcher, especially during the C server maintenance. Once the tab is clicked, the launcher starts crashing and players are unable to access DN Classic or revert back to the previous setting. According to our research, this error is linked to the C server's maintenance. When the C tab is selected during maintenance, the launcher fails to initialize and throws this error. The first thing you should do is check if the servers are under maintenance. To do this, visit us.dragonnest.com/news/notice/maintenance and check if there is ongoing maintenance for the C server. If so, you will need to wait until it's completed and then try launching the game again. If you want to try fixing it without waiting, then close the game completely. Then go to your Documents folder, then open the Dragon Nest folder, and then go into the Config folder. From there, delete the partition.ini and partitional.ini files. After deleting the files, relaunch the game and see if the error still comes. If you still receive the error after trying these steps, then unfortunately you will have to wait until the server maintenance is finished. Once the maintenance ends, the launcher should work fine again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.